Hey everyone, I'm here with your 314 lesson. What is the connection? Multiple representations of a portion. You have been working with various ways to represent portions of a whole. These multiple representations are shown in the diagram at right. It is called a web. For some problems, you might refer to work with percent, while at other times it might make sense to use a fraction or a decimal. Today, you will represent portions in multiple ways and consider which of these items allows you to work most efficiently. As you work on today's lesson, use the questions with your team to focus your discussion. How else can I represent the same portion? How do I know the portions are equivalent, or in other words, the same? Okay, so this portion web did not copy here, but it is on the back of your notes, 361. This is the web that we are discussing. 355, build it. Write it, draw it. Sometimes it is easier to compare portions when they are written in particular form. For example, 0.25, which is the same as 25 hundredths, and 0.8, which is the same as 8 tenths, can be compared easily when they are both drawn on a 100% block or are both in percent form. In this problem, your team will work with all of your representations on the web and find ways to change one representation into another. You may want to explore using the base 10 blocks. For each portion of a whole described, build the portion on top of a 100% block, draw the representation on your 313B resource page, and write the portion as a percent, fraction, decimal, and as a description in words. So this is a piggyback off what we did yesterday. On your 313 resource page, which is what we used yesterday, it says 100% block at the top, and it has 12 blocks on it, 12 100% blocks. You're going to take that back out, and you are going to do the write it, draw it, say it, build it idea. So percent, fraction, decimal, description. You have parts A, B, C, and D to do here. When you're done with parts A, B, and C, D, you are then going to answer parts E and F. Okay, you're putting them on a number line in parts E and marked as tenths, and F's, what representation, fraction, decimal, or percent is most convenient to use when placing values on a 0 to 1 number line. Explain your choice. Finally, when you're done with that question, you are going to come over to 358. It is just solving or it's simplifying, adding and subtracting decimals. You have 3 problems to do with that. This is going to be something that I check when you come back. So if you have any questions, please email me. Other than that, that is your lesson for today.